Okay, so today we're going to be installing the Airaid intake on the 2000 ZR2. I'm going to start by loosening up the bolts on the air box. I know there's one back there. The hose clamp, which is just a 5/16. And then mass airflow sensor, which is a T20. Using power tools for this one, a little more sensitive. Those in there, pull that out, lean that on that rag. Slide that clip, just a little pull. Make sure those are all out. And then this should just, okay. Okay, so actually getting this cover off was kind of a friggin' pain. You can see right there, there's 3 clips that clip in on that side of it that didn't quite want to cooperate. Okay, now down there you're going to remove these 2 bolts, and then I'm sure there's one somewhere else. Okay. And those bolts are just a 10 mil. That back up to there. Okay. What's on the back side here? Pull the pin. Pull that out. Pull this box out. Drop some stuff. Throw that in there. Okay. This twists itself out. Put that down. Okay. Drop the nut onto the skid plate, of course. Okay, so now we're going to assemble the intake itself. This little gasket thing. And that is going to go right inside like so. Little groove right there is going to line up. Okay, so when you're building the box, you're looking at this piece here. You got 2 bolts that are on the outside casing, 2 are on the inside casing. These 2 are the top bolts. Put the gasket on, line that all up, and then it's actually pissed me off. Airaid, the washers they supplied, which are these ones, don't fit on the bolt, which is a nice added touch. I had some stainless steel ones kicking around, so I'm using my own, but if you don't, you gotta be careful, the washers won't fit on the nuts on the Airaid. line the hole up. And these are a 4-mil Allen. So what I was saying before is you got to pull these out of the old box. You pull this nut out, and these come right out. Same thing, putting them back in. Put that right back in. Now I got to install these on the new ones, which are these bolts right here. Facing out, goes right into there. So far, the quality on this, I'm actually really surprised for Airaid. Having some horrible luck with everything. I just had to re-tap the holes up here for the bolts because they were cross-threaded to hell. So far, this has been a pretty shitty adventure with this thing. Not sure what's going on. Not sure if someone had this, got their hands on it before and returned it, and Real Truck sold it as new, or what happened, but I am having some bad luck. So before I put the filter in, I'm just going to wipe out in here a little bit. So on these holes that were mounted in this thing too, like I said, something's off with this. I had to drill out a little bit because it just was not fucking lining up for me. Now we're going back to putting the filter in, drop it in, and then you're gonna kind of play with it, maneuver it, spin the hose clamp. Okay, tighten down hose clamp. Actually, I don't like how this is sitting. Spin, see if I can get it to sit. I want it to, going straight on. Now comes the fun part of lining all these up. Wires out. That onto there. Back onto there. Okay. Connect the hose. Lock it back into place. This hose back up. Okay. We're going to reuse the 10-mil nuts. Okay. 10-mil, tighten up those two nuts down the bottom. Install the cover.